About 5 or 6 years ago, I bought a load of gardening equipment off a neighbour of mine. He wasn't retired and he wasn't doing it anymore, and he had all this stuff. And I didn't really need it, but he said he only wanted a couple of £100 for it. So I got a still chainsaw, a leaf blower, a load of harnesses and ropes and stuff like that. Thinking, oh well, I might need these things one day because I've got trees in garden and stuff. So I bought it anyway, and I never really used it up until sort of the beginning of this year when I did use the chainsaw. But you know, to my eternal shame, I didn't look after it. I used it and I put it away. Anyway, it needs a good clean, and it stopped cutting, and the chain needs sharpening. Now, I have never ever sharpened a chainsaw blade in my life. I've never stripped one of these down in my life, but you know, it's my shame really. I shouldn't let it get this bad. I've used it and put it away in cupboard and forgotten about it. So tonight, I'm just come out into my garage, didn't know what to do, and I was looking through cupboards, tidying stuff up, and I thought, oh, do you know what? I'm going to have a go at that chainsaw. So I'm going to give it a right good tidy up, and I'm going to see if I can't sharpen this blade and get it cutting. Right, this is going to be real basic amateur style. I'm going to start by taking off the things that I know I can take off, which is the blade and this cover and this back cover here. So feel free to stick out in the comments, people that know about these things, but this is just to me, just an amateur having a little go playing with a chainsaw. I thought that'd look a lot worse in there, to be honest. It's not good by any means, but it's not as bad as I thought. Hardly out on it, to be fair. I think that's where the chain oil goes. Now, like I say, I've never done this. I have seen people do it on YouTube, but I've never done it myself. But I'm not going to take it off, because it looks like the pull cord comes through there. No, I'm not taking that off. I'm not going that far. I'm not even taking that off. In fact, I think that's as far as I'm going to go with it. So I'm just going to put that to one side for a minute, and I'm going to start by cleaning this lot up. And to start with, I'm just going to use a hoover and a brush to get the most of the dust off. You know, this dirt is so ground in, I'm having to use this little toothpick type thing to scrape it all out of there. That's the blade oil hole. It's not too bad actually. I'm just going to run my Stanley knife blade down there. See it? Right, I've cleaned out in there. I think that's the air filter. So I'm going to put that on before anything goes down it. Right, I'm going to put it back together and then I'm going to sharpen the chain. I think I must have hit a nail or something when I was last using it, because the points on these are proper gone. It's taken a while to file them back. I've just been looking at some of the stuff that I got when I actually bought this chainsaw. It came with a load of other stuff, but this particular stuff here, it came with 2 extra chains. And I thought, oh well, I'll have a look at the chains and see how sharp they need to be, because thinking these were brand new, but these have all been used. So I think what he's done, instead of sharpening his chains, I think he's just put a new one on. So I've got 3 old chains that need sharpening. I'll try zooming in on these and you can see them. Yeah, so there you can see there, look, this is one of the other chains, one of the spare chains. So that should be at a point at the end, and it's not, it's well blunt. Right, I've been at this about an hour now, and I'm finally getting a bit of sharpness to some of these teeth. Just while I'm talking, I went down to Maker Central last weekend, and I had a really good day actually. I bumped into a few YouTubers down there, a few other YouTubers, and some of them gave me stickers. So what I've done, I've started a sticker wall over there, and I'm going to put a new sticker on my door every week. So if there's any other YouTubers watching this channel, if you want me to put a sticker on my sticker wall, get in touch, and I'll stick it on and I'll give you a shout out. Right, I'm just going to put some fuel in, not so much because I'm not going to run it much tonight, and I'm going to put some chain oil lubricant in. I'm happy with that. So one way to test that your chain is actually oiling is to put it against a dry piece of wood like this and fire it at this piece of wood, and you should end up with a line of oil there if it's oiling properly. Yeah, so I know that's oiling now. It's fired the oil out onto that piece of wood there. So we're happy with that. Right, I'm happy with that for a bit of afterwork pottering. That chainsaw wouldn't have cut that log a couple of days ago because I must have hit a stone or a nail, or I've done something because the blade was absolutely shot to bits on it. So an hour spent sharpening that blade is good enough. So yeah, I've got a nice, clean, lubed, fueled chainsaw. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.